everyone. I'm Nancy Ogbebor, and you are definitely welcome to my YouTube channel. You all are doing great. Today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful and delicious plain bread. So if you want to see how I made this, keep watching.
All I have on my list, I have my groundnut here, baking soda, my salt, my overripe plantain, I have my melted butter, my yeast, my eggs, my sugar, my flour, and my tin milk. So the list of these ingredients will be at the description box. I have my tin milk in here now, so I'll be pouring in my yeast. I'm going to give this a mix and turn. And my plantain has been peeled, okay, and chopped into smaller size like this. So we're going to match this to smooth. So we are going to set this aside now. So in my bowl, I'm going to be putting all the dry ingredients, and this is my baking soda. So we're going to sieve that now. I'm going to be sifting this. So my salt, my sugar, so I'll be bringing in my egg, my milk, and my yeast. Melted butter. And mix this to combine. So we'll be introducing our mashed overripe plantain now. So mix all this, and my oven is being preheated. Is on 250 degrees Celsius. So I'll be oiling my pan now with my butter. Reason for this is so that to enable me to remove it easily. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button if you like this. Click on the notification buttons to get more of my videos. And drop a comment at the comment section for me. We're going to turn this now. Be transferring this now. I'll be baking this for 40 minutes. I'm going to add our peanuts to this now. So we'll be baking for like 40 minutes in our oven. You can do this in your pot, okay? Just on your stove or your gas, just put your pot, place something that can lift it like this. This is my gas cooker stand, okay, my small cylinder stand. Just place it inside the pot, and if you don't have this, you can use tin tomatoes, tin milk can, empty tin milk can. Arrange it, then place your pan on it, then you cover it. Cook for like 35 or 40 minutes. Or you can also test it with your toothpick. You put your toothpick in it, bring it out. If the toothpick is clean, then it's ready. Your bread is ready. And we are going to be making a round bread. That's why I'm using a round pan for it. Let's wait. I'll show you when it is done. So this is it now. This took me about 50 minutes to bake. Remember, you have to test it with your toothpick, and if it comes out clean, then it is done. And for this, it's ready. So we're going to allow this to rest for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll remove it from the pan.